Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing Blackheart Beauty's Hot Topic Midnight Magic Eyeshadow Palette. First I will be prepping my face with Clean Colors Pro Sealer Makeup Setting Spray. Then I apply LA Colors Liquid Makeup Foundation BLM 310 Natural Tone. I will be using this glitter silicone beauty blender to apply the foundation, which took a little longer to blend than a regular blender. Now off to using Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Correcting Palette to cover my dark under eyes. Trying the green shade to cover that pesky little pimple scar. Then going over it with the foundation, blending around this area again. Kylie's Dead of Night Lip Liner will now be used to shape the brows. LA Girl's Glide Gel Liner is applied underneath the brows and onto the waterline to add a wide eye effect. This white liquid lipstick is now used as a base for the eyelids. Here is the palette. As you can see, it comes with a star-shaped mirror with 10 star-shaped colors in total. There are 8 eyeshadows and 2 highlighting blushes. Now I will swatch each color. The eyeshadow colors are named Majestic, Midnight, Black Magic, Everlasting, Ignite, Mystic, Dark Horse, Ember, and the 2 blushes are Frost and Blaze. Going over underneath the brows with the Ember eyeshadow, it is a very light shimmery tone. Applying Everlasting over the eyelids, following with Midnight on the edges of the eyelids, and Majestic over the crease. Ember is applied once underneath the eyebrows. Adding Black Magic for a smoky eye look on the eyelid edges. Drawing the eyeliner over with QIC's Pencil Eyeliner. Now darkening underneath the waterline with Kylie's eyeliner. Again retouching Everlasting over the eyeshadow, and Majestic for better visibility. Drawing in some eyelashes with the eyeliner. Wet n Wild's Mega Length Mascara is applied to darken the lashes, and remember to try not to poke your eyes out. It has happened so many times before. Maybelline's New York Dream Sun Bronzer Compact Palette is used for contouring the nose. The Frost Blush works as a highlighter over the tip of the nose and above the cheekbone area. Now the Blaze Blush is added for a rosy look over the cheeks. With a wet wipe, I cleaned up any major fallout left from excess eyeshadow colors, plus it gives a cleaner, crisp look for the eyeshadow. Smacking on Wet n Wild's 527B Fuchsia with Blue Pearl color lipstick. Then with Handayan's Pink Glittery Lip Topper. Alright, this is the actual photo eyeshadow color results, which look decent. For my honest review of the palette, I would just like to say that only 2 of the eyeshadows were really pigmented, such as Everlasting and Ignite. Most of the eyeshadows were lighter tones and had to be applied a couple of times over again for better visibility. Both of Frost and Blaze blushes seem to have done the job well with their highlighting effect over the cheek area. The package design for this palette is pretty attractive with its chrome silvery, glittery mirror look, though I wished it would have came with an extra eyeshadow applicator. The extra mirror did come in handy for a closer viewing of the makeup application. Overall, this is a cute, simplistic palette. Now, I'm not trying to impair anyone's judgment over this product. This is just my honest review, so don't let me stop you by passing by your local Hot Topic store and picking up this brand's makeup line. I will admit it's a cute, practical palette to have. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little notification bell located underneath the subscribe button, so this way you guys can get to view my videos. Alright, you all take care now. Bye!